This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Stop Limit Order step by step. Open Binance, choose your trading pair, and select Stop Limit from order types. Decide your stop price to trigger the order and set the limit price to actually execute the trade. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, double-check fees and balances, then confirm the order. Monitor open orders to manage or cancel if market moves unexpectedly. When choosing stop and limit prices, start by checking recent price action and volatility to avoid being stopped out by noise. Use a stop above resistance for buys or below support for sells, and nudge the limit a bit to improve execution odds. Always account for Binance fees and potential slippage so your final executed price meets your trade plan. Save common templates to speed future entries and exits. Common errors include setting stops too tight, which locks in losses on normal swings, and confusing stop limit with market stop loss when immediate exit is needed. Always double-check your amounts, price pairs, and margin or spot mode before confirming. If liquidity is low, widen your limit slightly to allow fills. Review your order history after execution to refine your approach and reduce repeat mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.